Hi, I'm Keely and I work for Ronseal, and we've been creating these videos to really help you out at home. This might be the first time you've ever used some of these products, and they're really easy. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin. I'm a DIY queen, I've been there myself. Hopefully you'll find these really useful. In this video, we're going to show you how to spruce up your kitchen on a budget. No need to rip out any cabinets. We're just going to put a lick of paint on those cupboards and give them a new lease of life. With Ronseal's one coat cupboard paint, it's tough, durable and water resistant, and there's no need to prime, you can paint it straight on. When using one coat cupboard paint, we recommend removing the cupboard doors first and laying them flat. If your wood's in good nick, give it a light sand with 240 grit sandpaper. If the paint is flaking or cracked, sand it back to bare wood with 120 grit sandpaper. Now for the paint. Just give it a good stir through. Apply one coat, painting from top to bottom. Sometimes if you're covering a strong colour with a light one, you may need to apply a second coat. If so, leave 4 hours between coats. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.